Okay. Anano Shom Im Al Hashir, Shir Shel Yeladim. You know the song The Wheel on the Bus. The Wheel on the Bus. Hafal Beivrit. Hafal Beivrit. Ha Hakol Harbe Otsar Milim. Harbe Otsar Milim Syam. It's very packed. So in these two meetings today and next week, we will talk about this. We will talk about this. The Otsar Milim, the vocabularies, the song itself is very catchy, it's very nice. Ibu Tikva at your dad, Ken, The Wheel on the Bus, it's very nice song.
Yeah.
Shiri Eladi Mafal
Rosie O'Havet.
Ken, Rosi Mamas O'Havet. Gam Maot. Oke, Rumah Hilim. Ken. Om Rim, turn around, and turn around. We use the pinyan hitpael lehistofev. Lehistofev from the root shores sameh bet sameh vev like zavav. So the environment or the what is like around us, it's our sefifah. Okay. Shalom Umi, Manishma. Anano ayo anano Shomim Al Hashir Yeladim. Wow, Umi Fuad.
Ani be Australia, asal
Oh,
Ani be
okay.
Australia.
Wow, saya mamash me uhar. It's very late.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's very
Yeah.
late.
Kolah hampo
Bahasa
Bahasa
Ahad Esre Fahed.
It's late, Umi. Oh my God, sliha.
It's okay.
Sliha. But
Yay.
Anano Shom Im Shir, okay? We will listen to the song. So it will make you energetic.
Okay.
You will not sleep, okay? We
Ready.
will not sleep. Shir Yeladim. Mamash toh. Maze. Oke, anak numat hilin.
Cocomelon.
Atem Shom Im?
Ken
Shom Im.
baru.
Ken. Oke, Shom Im.
גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים, מסתובבים, מסתובבים. גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים בכל העיר.
גלגלי האוטובוס. מה זה גלגלי האוטובוס?
The wheel of the
wheel on the bus. Galgale
Galgale.
is the wheel on the bus. Galgale haotobus mistofefim. Ani omeret mistofefim otbaa.
גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים, מסתובבים, מסתובבים. גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים בכל העיר.
Mistofefim. The shores sameh vet. Shalom Marmanfred, Shalom Nahma, Shalom Geveret Windy. Anahnu Shomim Al Hashir Yeladim. Okay.
Shalom, Windy.
Shalom. Safaf, lehistofef is to turn around, to wander around. And you know, like how to say environment or surrounding, sefifah. And how to say a cause, a reason is siba, it's otoshores, siba. Afal be Arabit, sabab, like it turns into bahasa Indonesia sabab, sameh, vet. Is that correct, Morehamam? Is that correct, right? Otoshoresh.
Arabic
כן, נכון,
כן,
נכון, זה
otoshoresh.
אותו שורש.
It's like Zafifah, Sameh, Vet. Siba is the reason, and Zafifah is the surrounding environment. That's why when you give a reason, sabab, siba, it's like something
sebab.
that's surrounding. It's like something that's surrounding. And lehistofev, it's to wander. Like lean at holehet tanya. Ani mistofevet bakanyon. Ani mistofevet bekanyon. Saya putar-putar di dalam mall. Saya putar-putar di dalam mall. Lean at holehet nahma. Ani mistofevet bakanyon. Saya putar-putar. Window shopping, jalan-jalan di mall. Umi etika mistofevet bakanyon. Geveret ursa mistofevet bakanyon. Galgalei ha otobus mistofafim. Marmanfred mistofev bakanyon. Mistofev bakanyon. Yitro hu mistofev bakanyon. Marvincent mistofev bakanyon. Oke, putar-putar di dalam mall. Oke. Mistofev, mistofevet, mistofafim, mistofavot. It's like wandering. Like, I wandered around the mall yesterday. Histafafti. It's very complicated. That's why I told you it's a very good song. Why? Because you have a lot of Otsar Milim. And you will learn a lot of Otsar Milim. Otoshoresh also to spin, it's Geveret Tikva, what you spin during the Hanukkah, like it's dreidel.
Savivon. Savivon.
You call it savivon.
That-
You call
Savivon.
dreidel is savivon, right? Otoshoresh.
Yes.
Ken, Marmanfred savivon, Ken? That the one that you spin.
Dreidel.
Dreidel is savivon בעברית. Okay? Gam otoshoresh same vet is mesibah. Mesibah come from the otoshoresh. But you put it mem because it's a makom, it's a place. So mesibah actually a place to wander around with a lot of people. Mesibah, right? Mesibah. Call otoshoresh same vet. Oke, anah numat hilim.
האוטובוס מסתובבים, 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 גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים בכל העיר. דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות, נפתחות ונסגרות, נפתחות ונסגרות,
Ladelatot, the doors. Delet, it's one
Delet.
door. Delatot, like two doors. Ladelatot ha-otobus niftahot ve nisgarot. Niftahot, open. Nisgarot, close. Niftahot ve nisgarot. Oke, paham?
כן.
האוטובוס מסתובבים בכל העיר. דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות, נפתחות ונסגרות, נפתחות ונסגרות. דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות בכל העיר.
Oke. Ladelatot, atem yotim. Delatot, delet, delatot. One door, doors, right? Niftahot, nisgarot. Niftah, patah, it's open. Open. Patahta, patahti et ha delet. Patahti et ha halon. I open the window. Patahti et ha, patahti et ha
Mekarer.
mekar. Ken. כל
Jendela, window.
אנחנו
Window.
תמיד פותחים על המקרר. בלי סביבה, בלי סיבה. Without any reason. בלי סיבה, אנחנו פותחים מקרר, כן? בלי סיבה. כל הזמן. בסלנג, like if you say niftah or nisgar, niftah it's like ani niftahet aharis birot, like I wake up after 2 beers, like that. It's like the slang. If you want to use that, not to really open, but you say that you really wake up. Wake up is also niftah. Niftah is open, so niftah, niftahet, niftahim, niftahot. Let me check. Niftah, open. From the niftah. So the binyan pa'al is liftoah, but niftah it's from binyan nif'al, to be open, lehipatea. Niftah, niftahat, niftahim, niftahot. Aval, nisgar, it's from binyan pa'al lisgor, to close. Like, you have a long day. You are very, very tired. Anisakur. Okay? Altish al, anisakur. Like, I'm dead today. Don't ask anything. Altish al, anisakur. Okay? Lean at holehet tanya. Ani mistofefet bakanyon. Ani mistofefet bakanyon.
Ini mistofefet bakanyon.
Lean at holehet umi.
Ani mistofefet bakanyon.
Ani mistofefet bakanyon. Lean at holehet keveret ursa.
Ani mistofefet bakanyon.
Bekanyon.
Bekanyon.
Kanyon is a shopping mall.
Iya,
Kanyon is a shopping mall. Keveret ursa lemar Vincent. Lean ata hole.
Marman Fred.
Mar
Lean ata hole. Sorry?
Vincent.
Oh, Vincent, Vincent. Lean ata hole hayom.
Ani mistofef bakanyon.
Ani mistofef bakanyon.
Ken, Mar Vincent le Mar Manfred. Lean ata hole.
Manfred, lean ata holeh.
Ani mistofef bakanyon.
Ani mistofef bakanyon. Ken, nama makara anisakur rayom. Like I'm dead. Anisakur rayom. Marhandoyo, makara, what happened? Anisakur rayom.
Anisakur hayom.
Anisakur hayom, like I'm done. I'm done or I'm dead today. Okay. Marhamam. Makara.
Anisakur hayom.
Anisakur hayom. Marhamam le yitro.
Yitro makara.
Anisagur hayom.
Yitro le Mar Abdul.
Mar Abdul makara.
Anisakur hayom.
Isakur hayom. Keveret nikfa. Lean at holehet.
Ani holehet bakanyon.
Mistofefet bakanyon. I'm wondering.
Mistofefet bakanyon.
Mistofefet bakanyon. Ken, mistofefet bakanyon. Oke, anah numat hilim. Ot sarmilim, Ken.
המגבים באוטובוס נסגרות, דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות בכל העיר. המגבים באוטובוס.
מה זה מגבים? Wiper. Magavim, wiper. המגבים האוטובוס.
בכל העיר. המגבים באוטובוס מייבשים שימשים, מייבשים שימשים, מייבשים שימשים. המגבים באוטובוס מייבשים שימשים בכל העיר.
call Hair
On
the
around
whole
the
can
city.
around the
City.
whole city. Can
Whole city.
Magafim ot paam Magafim
shim, מייבשים שימשים, מייבשים שימשים, המגבים באוטובוס, מייבשים שימשים, בכל העיר, הפנסים באוטובוס.
Okay, Magafim is it's a wiper. It's a wiper from the Shores Nagaf.
And
Nagaf.
shim is meaning.
Shim is like the they like
Oh.
Swish,
like
swish, swish.
like swish
Swish,
swish swish.
Oh,
Like a
okay.
swish swish, but they say it like shim. The pinyan itself it's lenakef. Lenakef from pinyan PL it's to wipe out. To wipe until it's dry. To wipe until it's dry it's lenakef. So when you wipe until it's dry, it's menakef, menakevet, menakefim, menakefot. Aval wiper is magafim. Omrim favorite towel. Towel is handuk makevet. Makevet is something that you use to dry your body. Makevet. Ken? Harbe otsar milim. Magafim, it's a wiper. Makevet, it's a towel. And wet tissue, you know the wet tissue. Where is my wet tissue? My wet tissue, it's makfon. Wet tissue is makfon. It's like this. Wet tissue, makfon. Aval to dry or to wipe, it's lenakef. Keberet ursa. Maat osa. Ani menakevet et hasulhan. Ani menakevet et hasulhan.
Ani menagefet et hasulhan.
Et hasulhan. I wipe out the table. Saya ngelap meja. Ani menagefet et hasulhan.
Ani menagefet la
Ani
sulhan.
menagefet et hasulhan.
Et hasulhan.
Ken. Manfred. Mata ose. I wipe the table.
Ani mehagefet hasulhan.
Menakef. Ani menakef et hasulhan. I wipe the table. Keveret tanya, maat osa.
Ani menagevet et hasulhan.
Ani menakevet et hasulhan. So the wiper is makef. It's one wiper, but like two wipers because it's like two wipers. It's makefim. Ken. The towel is makevet. Ken. The white tissue is makfon. It's like otoshores. Nun, kimel, vet. Marhandoyo, ata ose. What do you do?
Ani menagef et hasulhan.
Ken. Marvinsen, ata ose.
Ani menagef et hasulhan.
Umi etika, maat osa. I wipe the table.
Ani menagefet et hasulhanot. Okay, more than
Oh,
one
wow.
table.
Ken. All the tables. 10 mejanya.
All tables.
10 tables kan. Semuanya. Biasa kan kerjaan emak-emak tuh. Ngelapin meja. Ken. Yitro. Lean ata holeh. Ani
Mistofev
Bakanyon. Ani Mistofev Bakanyon. So you have like three poal already, right? Lehistofev, Lenakef, Maot, like Liftoah, Liskor. 4. Nahma, Lean at Holehet.
Mistofevet Bakanyon.
Adi Mistofevet Bakanyon. Mar Abdul, Lean at Holeh. Mistofef.
Anistofef.
Mistofef Bakanyon. Mistofef.
Mistofef Bakanyon.
Ani Mistofef Bakanyon. And Ani
Ani Mistofef Bakanyon.
Ani Mistofef Bakanyon. Yitro. Makara.
Ani Sagur.
Ani Sagur.
Etadelet.
Look, you don't close the door. Like Ani Sakur, like I'm dead. Okay, I'm dead. But it's okay if you want to say that you close the door. You close the door like Ani Soker at Hadelet. Okay. But Sakur is like something that you are being the passive one. Like I'm dead. Okay, Sakur. But Soker, it's like you actively close the door. Ani Soker. Keveret tanya sokeret. Umi sokeret.
Animeta? Como
animeta. Como animeta. Aval animeta like really sakur. Really sakur. Aval sakur like it's half meta. Like half dead. Yes, like animeta, but meta can be like two meanings, right? Like meta, like I'm dying, really die, or animeta, saya tergila-gila, I'm crazy about you, animeta alaya, kamu sih?
I'm mad in English.
Mad.
Okay.
Mad, animet, Ken.
Animeta alaya. Okay.
Ken. Magvim, wiper. And then magevet, it's a towel. Ani mistameshet magevet. Ani mistameshet magevet be ambatia. Okay, I used the towel in the ambatia bathroom. Bathtub. Yeah, in the bathtub. Ambatia in the bathroom. Yeah. And then makvon. Hu menagev at hashulhan be makvon. Im makvon. Again, makvon is the wipe tissue.
Wet tissue.
Wet tissue. Okay. Anahnu shom im ot pa'am.
גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים, גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים בכל העיר. דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות, דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות בכל העיר. המגבים באוטובוס מייבשים שימשים, המגבים באוטובוס מייבשים שימשים בכל העיר. הפנסים באוטובוס
Hapanasim, masih panasim, hapanasim. Panasim, the light, panasim ken.
הפנסים באוטובוס מאירים בכל העיר.
Actually, they want to say the light in the bus, it's like blink. But blink they use for eyes. For eyes, it's to blink in eyes is omrim le matsmets ulai. Le matsmets, if I'm not mistaken. Le matsmets is to blink with eyes. Aval, because it has like a light, if it has a light is ear. Meirim rim. It's like something that rhyming, like it's not the bling itself, it's not the light itself, but more to like cling. It's like that. It's like a sound. It's like cling, like that one. Okay. Panasim. Panas is also how you say flashlight. You call a flashlight, it's panas. Flashlight.
Lantern.
Lantern is not panas. It's like something that have a tube. If it's
Oh.
a tube and long and has a light, you call it panas.
Okay.
In bahasa Indonesia, it's sentolop or center. Sentolop or center. Okay. So it must be a tube, long,
Tube.
it has a light, it's a panas. While for lantern, it's menorah. It's more to menorah. It's a lamp. It's a lamp.
Torch.
Torch. Right. It's torch.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Panas. Okay.
Panas. Okay. Mereka paham?
רים בכל העיר.
הצופר באוטובוס מצפצף צף.
מה זה השופר? השופר,
The
the
horn, is it?
the horn,
Yeah,
the
the
horn,
horn.
like klaxon, the horn, shofar. Shofar is very nice one. It's from the word sapar, and they call it you know how to say bird in Ifrit? Bird, the bird burung. It's
Oh,
por.
Sipor.
Sipor.
Kan?
Sipor.
Shofar is like sipur. Sipur is a
Sipur.
Sipor. Sipor is a bird. Sipor is a bird. From the shortest sapar, litspor, it's to honk a horn. If you press the horn and it say dot, it's like litspor. Litspor.
Like in Yom Kippur,
Like
Sofer.
Sofer,
In Yom
yeah.
Kippur.
Sofer,
Yom
Sofar
Kippur,
like
Sofer.
the one in Yom Kippur. Kan?
Yom Kippur.
Sangkakala ya, Bumi ya.
Iya.
Sangkakala,
Trompet
kan?
itu. Sofer.
Can the bird it's sipor. And if you want to say
Sipora, ya.
Sipora is
Sipora, ya.
of a lady, kan? Sipor.
Zipporah, the wife of Moses.
Can sofer, okay. אנחנו שומעים עוד פעם.
הצופר באוטובוס מצפצף צף צף.
It's a bit difficult. Metzatsef, מה זה metzatsef? Metzatsef, it's to tweet like tweet like metzatsef from lehit satsef. I told you it's a lot of otsar milim. Letzatsef, it's like to tweet, to chirp, to tweet like that one. And how you call a whistle? Peluit, it's satseva. From the auto shoret saf. Sadife. Letzatsef, this one, letzatsef. Okay, letzatsef.
Lika hamora. Yes. Sheila.
Yes, Ken.
Mahashone, maze?
Sofer and letzatsef.
Sofar with teki'a.
Sofar with
Teki'a.
teki'a. Awat pa am yitro. Apa am yitro?
Hah?
Diulangin pertanyaannya.
Mahashone, sofar with teki'a.
Lokal kaya dati. Hafal adi F-Doc etse, oke? Nanti saya cari.
Ya.
Teki'a, kotfim teki'a.
Mora.
Yes, Marman Fred.
Kalau shofar itu kan biasa peniupan ada yang tekia itu bunyi panjang Mora biasanya.
Trompet kan dia.
Iya, kan
Dia-
ada melodinya biasa kan.
Kalau shofar dia lebih
Panjang.
kayak pendek gitu ya.
Bukan, ini peniupan shofar itu kan ada melodi.
Ken.
Nah, salah satu melodinya itu namanya tekia itu.
Itu mungkin jawabannya gitu.
Jadi kan yang ada tet, terus terus ada lagi, ada hitungannya kan. Salah satu melodinya itu namanya tekia.
Oke. Toda apa?
Yang saya tahu ya ini Hamura ya. Itu tekia salah satu melodinya itu.
Oke. Ken. Ani Hoshefet kam. Ken Yitro.
Ken, toda. Tamshiki bifakash.
Tapi alatnya namanya shofar. Iya nggak sih?
Shofar. Ya.
Oke. Aval metzatzef, it's like a tweet, to tweet like chirping, tweet.
מצפצף, צף, צף, מצפצף, צף, צף,
הצופר באוטובוס מצפצף, צף, צף, בכל העיר.
But they say it's a hasofar. They don't say the maze. They don't say it's a whistle. They don't say it's a peluit. They don't say because it's a horn, so they call it shofar, not a safsefa. Although the sound it's much, although the sound is like chirping, it's metzatzef. But the horn itself, they don't say satsefa. Because satsefa, it's like lebih melengking, not like horn, like like that. Okay? So let satsev. I know that it's too much, it's too overwhelming, a lot of otsar milim, ani ektov alehem ahare at hashiur aval. We will listen from here until that one, okay? And we will finish the second part next week, Ken?
Ken.
Ika Hamura.
Yes. Yep. Ken.
Itu tadi ini yang Maritro tanya. Jadi kalau dalam orang Hebrew, dalam Ibrani, orang Israel itu biasa melodinya shofar itu hanya 4.
Ken.
Peniupannya di hari peniupan trompet itu. Jadi satu tekia, habis itu disambung sama sefarim, habis itu teruah, yang terakhir itu tekia gedola. Jadi tekia itu yang panjang, tekia gedola itu yang sampai napasnya habis gitu, Hamura.
But the same alatnya sama, Manfred.
Jadi shofar itu untuk orang Israel hanya boleh 4 bunyi itu, Hamura. Jadi yang pertama tekia kan dia tiup panjang dulu. Habis itu biasa sefarim itu tiupan yang sedang-sedang, putus-putus. Habis itu teruah itu yang pendek-pendek. Terus terakhir itu tekia gedola itu yang biasanya
sampai napasnya habis.
Napasnya habis terus dia langsung win gitu, langsung
melengking.
Kayak melengking gitu.
Oke.
Hanya 4 itu aja. Selain itu mereka nggak niup sembarangan.
Oke. Tov lada'at.
Dan biasanya Yom Kippur ya. Tahun sekali pada
Bukan,
Yom Kippur.
ini bukan Yom Kippur itu kan tanggal 10. Biasa peniupan sangkakala itu tanggal 1 sama tanggal 2 Tisri.
Iya, Rosh Hashanah ya pada saat bulan baru itu.
Iya.
Tahun baru.
Shana Tova.
Ya,
Shana Tova.
Oke. Tov lada'at. Mamash tov lada'at. Toda Rava Manfred, tov lada'at.
Bevakasama.
Oke. Ananu mamsihim hashir ot hetsi, oke? Gam ananu mamsihim be shavua haba, Ken?
גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים, 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 גלגלי האוטובוס מסתובבים בכל העיר. דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות, נפתחות ונסגרות, נפתחות ונסגרות, דלתות האוטובוס נפתחות ונסגרות בכל העיר. המגבים באוטובוס מייבשים, שים, שים, מייבשים, שים, שים, מייבשים בכל העיר.
הפנסים באוטובוס מאירים רים רים, מאירים רים רים, מאירים רים רים.
הפנסים באוטובוס מאירים רים רים בכל העיר.
הצופר באוטובוס מצפצף צף צף, מצפצף צף צף, מצפצף צף צף.
הצופר באוטובוס מצפצף צף צף בכל העיר.
Okay.
So
So
cute.
then Mr. Vev to turn around, and Mr. Vev, Mr. Vavim, Mr. Vavot. Okay. So Viva is our environment. Siba, Mahasiba. What's the reason? Siba is the reason. Siba, the reason. Hadlatot nifteha wa niskarot. Okay, niftahot wa niskarot. Open and close. Open and close. Delatot, doors. Okay. Magvim, wiper. Wiper. From the word lenakev, to wipe something. Okay. Makevet is the towel. Makvon, wet tissue. Otoshores. Ze ivrit ze mamash me'anyan, ken? Ki otoshores ze anahnu yaholim ladaat. Oh, it must come from here. It must come from here, like that. Ma'ot has so far. It's like the horn in the bus. It's like metzatsef. It's very difficult. Metzatsef, but I will write to you. Okay, it's to whistle. Peluit. It's satseva. And panas is the torch, the lamp in the torch. Irim rim it's
Rim, pling, pling.
From or ya, irim or ada kaitannya dengan
from or. It's like to give a light, So not from the bling like eyes, like lemat smets, not like that. Okay, but bling with the light, it's a
Sparkle. To sparkle ya bahasa Inggrisnya.
to sparkle. Let me check. Sparkle.
Ya kan memberikan cahaya. Sparkle gitu.
I think so.
kilauan.
Kilau, berkilau gitu.
Berkilau kan. Awal berkilau, they have their own,
Shimmer?
yeah, they have their own words. It's lenatsnets.
Lenatsnets. Oh yo. Lenatsnets.
Dalam bahasa Ibrani, menariknya untuk sesuatu yang berulang-ulang, seringnya mereka ngomongnya kayak lenatsnets. Kamu you snack, you are snacking, what's that? Lenasnesh. It's like nishnus is a snack, lenasnesh. Like sesuatu yang dilakukan seperti berulang-ulang seperti itu. It's nice too.
Iya. Kalau yang berulang-ulang biasanya pakai hitpael ya.
Hitpael itu dia kalau saling menyebabkan. Tapi kalau sesuatu yang seperti ada sepasang seperti itu, Ibu.
Oke.
Itu. Tidak harus, tapi seperti mata berkedip dia kan lemat smets seperti itu. Biasanya. Tapi it's rhyming gitu. Tapi ada juga kata-kata dalam bahasa Inggris yang mereka langsung ya udah dibikin aja binyannya seperti to Google, legal girl. To Google, legal girl. Ya seperti itu. Mereka banyak bikin istilah seperti itu. It's interesting. A lot of new words actually. We will continue our study next week, okay? And after next week, I will have like a 2 weeks break because I will have a trip. Ani Batiul. Umi, is that okay? You are still in Australia next week?
Yeah, I mean, Ani by Brisbane. You are by
Brisbane. But the time hour is 3 hours different, right? With us.
Right. 3 hours faster.
You have to go sleep. Toda Rabba Lahem. Thank you so much.
Toda Rabba Mola.
I'll see you next week.
Saudara.
Saudara, have a happy day.
Dadah, dadah.
Bye-bye.
Laila
Baik, Bro.
Laila, toh.